Good morning, everybody. Right now, we can see a box which has in my hand, right? Can you guess what's inside this box? If you can, it's great. Actually, this is a pen box. This is a pen box. Okay, so my dear audience, to be honest, this pen was given to me as a gift by the students of 2026 batch of Borua Alauddin Dewan High School and College. Whether a gift is big or small, it doesn't matter, right? The matter is that a gift is a gift. My dear audience, I don't know yet what the color the pen will be. Wait just a minute. Wait just a minute. Okay? Wow! What's a nice color? What's a nice color? The color of this pen is really beautiful. It's one of my favorite color. This gift will remain with me as a cherished memory in my heart for a long time. So, the students of 2026 batch of Borua Alauddin Dewan High School and College, wherever you are, my love and prayer always with you. Okay, so keep moving forward and reach for the stars. Thank you very much for watching me.